Oi, put it down. What the fuck is wrong with this guy?
It has lights on it.
Oh, really?
Get it off the couch.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found. I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.